Hi guys, I'm Lily Blake, the Director of Editorial Content here at Roosterly, and this is a quick video to explain the process of our paid editorial article service. Okay, so step one is the hardest part. It is choosing the publication. So if you don't have a specific one in mind, we have a spreadsheet here to help you choose. So we have a huge long list on the left of all the different publications that we have a relationship with. Their pricings all vary, so that's something that you can kind of circle back to later. But the first kind of option to look at is domain authority. So this is a search engine ranking score. So the closer it is to 100, the higher it will appear on the search page. Some clients really care about this score, others less so, and it also really varies. If there's one publication that is super niche, it might have a lower domain authority than a publication that covers 100 different topics. Okay, so genre, as it says on the tin, real estate, news, music, lifestyle, alcohol, business, whatever genre you would like to talk about and share in your article will have a genre to fit it. Okay, TAT is turnaround time. So this is the amount of time that it takes from when the editor at the publication green lights it, so it's 100% finished, to when it goes live on the website. So if time is something that you're conscious about, this is a column to review. Image is whether, of course, they would like an image to go along with it. So pretty much all of them are yes, as is indexed. And indexed is whether the content is discoverable. So if it's included in discoverable databases. So again, don't really need to worry about that one. Almost all of them are yes. Okay, sponsored. So some clients are going to care if, since they've paid for the article to go in that publication, if it's going to display that. So we have a mix of no and discrete. So discrete might be just like a very small sentence at the very bottom, and some of them will say yes. Okay, do follow links are essentially votes of trust from one website to another. So if SEO is something that you are conscious about, you would want to choose a publication that does allow do follow links. And of course, at the end, we've got all the different regions. So these global to states to cities, to smaller towns, anything. We cover pretty much everywhere. Okay, so step one, once you've picked your publication, you're going to go on to step two, which is completing this short form. It's only going to take about 7 minutes, but this is when you provide us with all the information that you would like to share. And this can be on pretty much any story you'd like. So from talking about new products, new services, to executive kind of profile pieces. So this is where you fill it all in. Once we receive that, it will take us about 2 to 3 business days to create a draft. So for example, here we have one about AI and business in 2024. So once the draft has been created, it will be sent to you, the client, and you can make any edits or changes that you desire. So if you go on to suggesting, then you can leave any comments such as intro is too short. You can comment that, or if you hate a sentence, you can actually just delete it. So you can send that back to us with all the sort of small or big edits that you'd like, making sure everything is in like your tone of voice or the brand's tone of voice. So once you have liaised with one of our team of editors to make sure that it's absolutely perfect, it will then be sent to the editor for approval. So 9 times out of 10, the editor will then green light it, and then going back to the turnaround time, that's how long it will take to get published. However, very sort of occasionally, they'll come back and say, can you change a few things? So this might be the type of links that they've included, the dimensions of the photo we've provided. It's usually all very minor things. But then, so we can work to resolve any small issues that there might be, and then we can get your article published for you. So thanks so much for joining me today, guys. If you have any other questions, please reach out and ask. But that is the process for our paid editorial article service. Thanks, guys.